Good morning, everybody. So I actually made this video the day after the Violet Evergarden one, but I wanted to have maybe a week in between before I posted it, and then, well, anyways, this is a drawing for Pixelated Fairy, who has supported me for a really long time, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. My voice is lower than usual today for some reason. I don't really know why. I just went to the grocery store and my voice came out so low, and I was like, whoa. Yesterday I had a really high-pitched voice, but I guess today I have a low-pitched voice. And I don't know, does that happen to you guys? Or is it just me? So anyways, back to the drawing. This character is super, super cute. I haven't played this game, but I really loved the design, and so that's why I decided to draw her. So as usual, I'm starting out with just kind of sketching it. It took me a little while to kind of get a face that I was happy with. And usually when I draw something for myself, then it can pretty much turn out any way, but when I'm drawing something for other people, I always just put extra pressure on myself for it to turn out really well, which makes it not turn out really well. Unfortunately, that's just kind of how it works sometimes, so it's just something that I kind of have to work through and maybe put in some extra time to redraw things until I get it to a point that I'm happy with. As usual, outlining with my trusty colored pencil. Because I'm using watercolor today, I really like the look of colored pencil because it blends really nicely and it's all soft and kind looking. So that's why I really enjoy using it. As you'll see later, it does erase a little bit, so you might actually have to outline twice when you erase your pencil lines, but it is a little bit of extra work, but I just really like how it looks, and I actually find it easier to line in colored pencil than ink because you can erase it if you make a mistake.日本人の皆さんいますか？今からちょっと日本語で話します。最近ね、私、日本へ帰りましたよ。今、東京にいます。とても長い時間で、アメリカで休みました。楽しかったです。家族と一緒に住んでいましたので、とても嬉しかったです。でも、私、仕事と学校ももう一回スタートしたいので、日本に帰って嬉しいです。よろしくお願いしますね。I'm going to use colored pencils to fill in the details because colored pencils are a lot easier to use in small places. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions or anything you'd like to say, just leave a comment. I always read the comments even though I don't usually reply, but I always appreciate each and every one. Thank you so much, everybody.